Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. My name is Roshafima Rasit Ali. It is an honor for me to be part of the exhibitors INATEX 2020 event organized by RMC, University Technology Malaysia. I'm from Malaysia, Japan International Institute of Technology from UTM Kuala Lumpur. Our product inventions and title of the chef vascular graft prepared using radiation-induced method, and my team members consist of Dr. Kamya Shamali, Dr. Zatil Izzah, Mr. Shahrul Nizam, and also Mr. Justin Chan.
For the introduction, cardiovascular disease is the disease that involve heart, blood vessel, or both. Based on WHO in 2018, 35% of total mortality in Malaysia is due to the cardiovascular disease. One of the cardiovascular disease cases is atherosclerosis due to the wall thickening inside the artery because of the macrophage activities. Chronic patients of atherosclerosis will undergo bypass grafting, and Dacron and PTFE is the commonly polymer used for the bypass graft. Bypass grafting using Dacron and PTFE is successful for larger diameter vascular graft, however, poor result for the smaller diameter vascular graft less than 6 mm in diameter due to the intimal hyperplasia and thrombosis. Intimal hyperplasia and thrombosis can be avoided by using polyurethane and hydrophilic surface. So the product innovation here is we would like to introduce new biomaterial, which is polyurethane with Chitosan Filler grafted with HEMA, produced by using electrospinning method and radiation-induced grafting. Now we move to the originality and novelty. The originality and novelty of this research is to produce the new biomaterial, which is electrospun polyurethane with Chitosan filler grafted with HEMA by using electrospinning and radiation-induced grafting. As the result, there is no excessive disturbance on the blood clotting time, low platelet additions, and it also promotes the cell growth, so it's suggested to be useful for the bypass graft for coronary artery. Therefore, the innovative product is useful for the tissue engineering vascular graft for less than 6 mm in diameter. The degree of inventiveness is referred to the new innovation on the vascular graft for bypass grafting related to the cardiovascular disease. So the new innovative material used in this product is polyurethane with Chitosan filler grafted with HEMA. And the method used to produce the new biomaterial is by using electrospinning process and radiation-induced grafting.
Innovative product, which is polyurethane based vascular graft, is produced using electrospinning method. Alright, and we found that this product can be or is mimicking a natural extracellular matrix. Alright, and it is also produce no excessive disturbance on clotting times. Alright, and these polyurethanes also produce a very low protein absorptions, and it is very compatible with a cell growth. And this polyurethane based vascular graft is also produced using an innovative process, which is radiation-induced grafting. Alright, and the product, okay, which is the polyurethane vascular graft, is chemically bonding with hydrophilic HEMA. Alright, and it is a sterile product, and it is very suitable and ready to be used. And using this innovative process, okay, we can prove, or we found that there is no excessive toxic chemical occurred during the process. Blood vessels or graft used for the bypass procedure conventionally may be pieces of a vein from our leg or an artery in our chest. right? So this product innovation, okay, which is polyurethane vascular graft for bypass, okay, it is a substitute, all right, of a blood vessel or graft, okay. Conventionally we use a vein, okay, from our leg or artery, all right. So it can be a substitute, okay, to for the bypass graft. So the applications of this product as a treatment for the chronic cardiovascular disease due to thickening of arterial wall. Thus, this new innovation may contribute a lot to the health issues in Malaysia related to cardiovascular disease. And it is also relevant to the government policy in the healthcare medicines, especially in the NKEA area 9, okay, which is healthcare, and also SDG 3, Sustainable Development Goal 3, which is good health and well-being. This product invention, which is polyurethane-based vascular graft, have a very high potential for commercialization, alright? So as you can see in the figure 5, so it shows a market need of a vascular graft, okay, from 2012 up to 2022, alright? So from the graph, we can see that it is a huge increment, alright? The market needs or the demand is increasing year by year, alright, with a huge amount of the increment. And there are several brands of arterial vascular prosthesis, okay, in the market currently, such as Brown, Biovic, and also Peros. However, this existing vascular graft cannot mimicking extracellular matrix, alright? So the new inventive product, alright, which is a polyurethane-based vascular graft, we found that it is very compatible with blood and cell, and it is also having a molecular structure like extracellular matrix, alright? Thus, this product is very suitable, okay, to be used, okay, for future tissue engineering fields. We have identified potential industrial partner, alright, in order to commercialize our product, alright, which are Institute Jantung Negara (IJN) and also Biovic Sdn Bhd. So Biovic Sdn Bhd is one of the industry that producing or selling vascular graft in Malaysia market. To commercialize this product, so we are looking for a pre-product development, okay, for the industrial scales, and also seed funding, okay, probably for the preclinical financial fundings, and also seed funding for pre-commercialization, for example Cradles or My Labs or perhaps Teraju. As for the academic recognition, so we have published 3 papers in Scopus, alright, related to this research and also product innovations, and 1 patent has been patented. The last slide show the product invention, okay, which is polyurethane grafted with HEMA, produced using electrospinning with radiation-induced grafting, alright. So as you can see, the picture, okay, of the polyurethane vascular graft produced by our team. Okay, thank you very much, okay, for this opportunity to be parts of the INATEX 2020 exhibitors. Assalamualaikum.